to your boss also, but in their understandable form. Clear framework. In their understandable form, you require to tell, but don't be silent. Even my personally, this is also one connected point, because most of the time, sir, my personal feeling is no one is going to accept their mistake. Unnecessary. Why I have to tell that? Unnecessary. Why I have to tell that? Be silent. They will come to know certain day. Why I have to? Like, that is my personal feeling. That's my personal feeling. No one accept their mistake. That's my personal feeling. But after this, I started changing myself. Okay. If I'm tomorrow, they're going to struggle like anything, I may be indirectly the reason. Okay. Whether they are going to accept or not, whether they are going to do or not, in their understandable way, convey that information. Okay, it's not something like harassment kind of thing. It's not something like argument kind of thing. It is not something like fighting kind of thing. Just convey in their understandable form. Array, I thought that it may be good. Can you please think about that? Just still, if you feel, if any correction is required, you can. If no correction is required, happily you can continue. No problem. But I thought that to tell this small point as a well-wisher, simple. If they are going to listen, they are not going to listen, but don't be silent. Next, for your kids anyway, give left and right and convey that. For your wife may give right. For your wife, so create environment, and then you require to convey. You require to convey. Directly don't tell. Indirectly, you require to convey whatever you want to tell. But the most important point for you people.